Hello, future CAs. This is a very emotional video for me. I come from a small and humble family, and numbers like 25,000 subscribers on YouTube honestly means a lot for me. And thank you so much to every single CA student who has been a support on this journey. But for those who know me, you know I am not a numbers person, even though I'm an accounts faculty. I am making this video to share three important things, a very powerful message that I'm going to demonstrate to you guys. Two pillars who have been a huge support for me in this journey, and what has been the biggest motivation over here. Let me start off, guys, this powerful message. For that, you need to understand the YouTube journey, which started way back in 2020 during COVID. We used to give a lot of free classes. Most of you wouldn't know this because you would have known me only in the last 6 to 9 months. But I want to show you how the YouTube channel was way back when we started in 2020 around COVID. These were few videos that we used to post. Look at this video. I used to record this in my house in COVID in the night, sending my brother outside the room, and I used to record it till 4 5 a.m. and then sleep. These videos are still there, guys. I remember the effort behind this. But then, what was the problem over here? Okay, what was the problem over here? If you see, back then in 2020, 2021, 2022, if you look at this dates over here, guys, if you look at this, I used to post one in December, then again one in Jan 2023, then again one in Feb 2023, then one in March, one in April. You can see only that expected questions people used to watch. Other videos, since I used to post one or two videos a day, hardly people used to notice. And I also never bothered much about YouTube back then, and that is how the time went in 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, all of that, because I used to focus only on the offline classes, what students used to come take class for that 50 100 students, and whichever academy I worked with, they all said focus on students over here, forget about YouTube. And I also was not that much interested after COVID. Then came one day in 2024. I'm talking about the powerful message over here. I still remember the date, around 10th August. I had one powerful conversation at around 8 p.m. in the night with one powerful person. I will tell you who it is a little later. Where that person told me, focus on YouTube, give it your full effort. You see what is going to happen in just 2 to 3 months. I said, okay, fine, let me do that. Around that time, when I had that conversation, even after being on YouTube for 4 years with zero or minimal effort, with not much focus, not giving it the best, on 10th August 2024, we had only around 5,000 subscribers, and numbers I never bothered that much. Then 6 months, in these 6 months, from August 2024 till Feb 2025, we were posting one video every single day. Every day I used to ensure that I used to post at least one video, and in 6 months, our subscribers, with the support of all of you, it increased by 20,000, and that's why we are at 25,000, guys. What is the learning over here? The powerful message I have for all of you. By now you would have figured it out, guys. It doesn't matter if you do something for 4 years, but all that matters, if you do that every day, the results will automatically come. I am talking about consistency over here, guys. If you are just consistent on a daily basis, results will show up. And then I decided every single day we will post one video to educate CA students. This is the powerful message. Sir, who are the two pillars that you are talking about? Two pillars in my life. In my CA education days, my teacher and my mentor has always been CA MP Vijay Kumar sir. In fact, MP Vijay Kumar sir used to take accounts and law for 30 years, and taking that as an inspiration only, I am also now teaching accounts and law. Sir used to teach everything conceptually with beautiful logics, and I believe that is how the subject has to be taught, and I'm teaching it in the same way, accounts and law with concepts. So MPV sir has been huge support and inspiration for me during CA student days and even after qualifying. Second, I told you I had a powerful conversation on 10th of August above, right? That was with Anish sir. I think I have worked with so many faculties and academies for the last 7 years, but the last 2 years have been magical when I worked with Anish sir, because Anish sir is one such person who always told me what is the right thing to do, what is good for me, what is the best for students. He always used to guide, and I blindly follow what sir tells me. So I still remember that conversation I had with sir in August, and we are here 6 months later only because of the direction sir has showed me. And even very recently, in the month of this month, basically Feb 2025, sir and me had another powerful conversation, and he told, wait and see what happens in the next 6 months. Of course, I'm not going to reveal that now. Once that actually happens after 6 months, I will make another video clearly explaining what that conversation was. I think sir is having all the power to predict the future, guys. If you want to know about your future, go ask Anish sir. He will tell you exactly what is going to happen to you. So these two faculties have been huge pillars for me in my journey. And lastly, coming to the most important motivation and push for me, guys, is none other than it's all of you guys. It's all of you. It's all you students who have been immense support, my dear and lovable students, in the last 6 months. I told you the power of consistency, right? You will be watching this video today at 9:15 a.m. when I am sleeping, and I didn't want to miss a video on a single day. It is now 6 a.m. guys. It is now 6 a.m. Let me show that to you. Let me show you that. If I can just go to Google and type time now, it shows 6:09 a.m. I wrote it just 9 minutes back approximately, and 6:09 a.m. I'm recording this without sleeping so that I do not miss consistently posting at 9:15 a.m. every single day. Let me show you that in our channel analytics also. Many people will want to know what is behind on the YouTube. Look at this, the lifetime of our channel. If you see, if you look at this, I told you 2020 hardly any growth is there. I told you I spoke to sir around 10th August. Look at this, 10th August we started speaking with sir, and I started posting one video a day from that day. And now if you look at this, if I just put last 365 days, and then you can see how it has been going. You can look at the last 90 days. You can see all the growth, all the growth. If I just click on audience, everything has come for us only in the last 365 days, especially the last 6 months, guys. You can see the graph started growing in the last 6 months only when we were consistent every single day. And I didn't want to talk about it when I started, but 6 months down the line, now if you look at this, guys, if I just go to our page content, every single day, I will challenge you, go and scroll the last 6 months over here. Every single day there is one video, and that will keep coming, and I will try my best for that to keep coming till rest of 2025. And that is the learning I wanted to tell you all, guys. The powerful message I told you is to be consistent. And once again, thank you so much to all the dear and lovable students. All this is not possible without you, and we will keep giving you insightful and knowledgeable content to keep upskilling every day. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Honestly means a lot.